We are presenting here at ECTRIMS a new analysis of the RENEW primary endpoint, which is the latency of the visual evoked potential. We selected latency as the primary endpoint because we believe it's a biomarker of demyelination when it is impaired and remyelination when it recovers. What we're presenting today is the subgroup analysis of the primary endpoint of RENEW. We look at which populations show the best treatment effect with Anti-Lingo in acute optic neuritis. The main finding from the subgroup analysis is that the population in the trial that was older, and we define older as the half of the population greater than 33 years old. So half younger than 33, half older than 33. What we notice is that the population that truly benefit from the treatment were the older. The difference from placebo was very significant. And very interestingly, the younger population showed a normal, relatively normal, spontaneous improvement. So it appears that younger MS patients tend to be able to recover on their own, while the older ones really didn't, and they were the ones really helped by the drug. It's a sensitivity analysis. It should be viewed as a hypothesis generating, but we believe it teaches us about the patients who one day may mostly benefit from Anti-Lingo. The field of remyelination has been looking into this for years, thinking that the failure of repair, failure of remyelination is an aging phenomenon. So as part of normal aging, it appears that the human brain is losing the ability to repair. The study enrolled patients between 18 and 50 years old. 33 was the median cutoff. So we simply compare the half younger versus the half older. So what's very interesting is we can use this information to design future trials so that we test the drug in those who are most likely to benefit from it. It is an important finding in the sense that we neurologists notice that as MS patients are older, in their 40s and 50s, they accumulate more disability. So I think they need to be aware that younger patients may be repairing better, but as they age, that ability is being lost and the risk of disability is really increasing. So I believe this is a novel piece of information. That's what's interesting about this new analysis, that it appears that the younger group, and their mean age was 25, they seem to be able to recover on their own. But the older group, mean age 38, were not. And it looks like that older group, 38, is not old. That's why we call it older. But it seems like that's the group that the Anti-Lingo drug was having the clear benefit.